for signs your body is too acidic and how to fix it. Your body is a machine that relies on the perfect balance of chemicals, bacteria, and cells. How to tell if your body is out of balance. If by any chance you don't know anything about it, here's a brief info. pH values stand for the alkalinity or acidity in your body. To work properly, your body requires a perfect balance of acidity and alkalinity. Your stomach needs acidity to digest food and your system needs alkalinity. The pH scale goes from 0 to 14. Values below 7 are considered acidic, and anything higher than that represents an alkaline environment. In some cases, the body becomes too acidic, triggering an avalanche of negative reactions. How to tell if your body is too acidic. Observe your body carefully, and you will learn a lot. 1. Excess weight. Acids increase the production of insulin and your body stores more fat. The natural detox system in your body is unable to deal with increased levels of acid and brings it back to fatty tissues. Your metabolism needs an alkaline environment, and it fails to do its job. Your body stops burning calories, and you don't lose weight. 2. Weak bones. Your body gets alkali from different sources in the system, including your bones. It pulls calcium from bones in order to neutralize acidity. That's how you end up with weak bones, fractures, and osteoporosis. If you are diagnosed with osteoporosis, avoid coffee and other acidic foods. 3. Sensitive teeth. A 2015 study released in the International Journal of Chemical Engineering and Applications confirmed the connection between acidity and damaged tooth enamel. If you struggle with cavities or are unable to consume anything cold or hot, your tooth enamel needs help. 4. Sleep issues. Many Americans deal with chronic sleep deprivation, and it has something to do with acidity. Your body pulls calcium from your bones, and the lack of this mineral leads to insomnia, as confirmed by experts at the Human Nutrition Research Center in North Dakota. Create an alkaline environment. Diet. Diet changes can do wonders for your overall health. Eat more of the following alkaline foods: kale, broccoli, cucumber, spinach, arugula, collards, zucchini, soybeans, tofu, nuts, seeds, legumes, raisins. Foods to avoid: dairy, eggs, meat, most grains, packaged, processed snacks, canned foods, caffeine, baking soda and apple cider vinegar. Baking soda is an incredible product. When combined with raw and organic apple cider vinegar, it's even more powerful. Add a third teaspoon of baking soda to 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Wait for the fizzing to stop and add in 8 ounces of water. Drink your alkaline potion. If you don't like using apple cider vinegar, use lemon juice. It works really great. Lemons are incredibly alkaline and definitely deserve a spot on your menu. Get rid of your regular cleaning products. Commercial cleaning products are packed with chemicals that throw your body out of balance. Use natural cleaning products instead of your regular solutions.